In this video, I will show you how to attach an SLA to an account in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now on the top right part of your screen, click on the Settings button. Once you're redirected to the Settings board, scroll down to the Automation section and click on Service Level Agreement. Here, you will see the list of all your active and inactive SLAs. To create a new one, click on the New SLA button at the top right. In the pop-up window, type in the name for your new SLA. Make sure that under the Apply When section, you select Ticket Created so that the SLA applies whenever a new ticket is made. Once done, click Next. In the Select Target step, you can customize the conditions for your SLA, such as priority or channel, and then set the response time and resolution time that you want to meet. Below that, you can also check the response escalation settings and add any other customizations based on your team's workflow. Once everything looks good, simply click Save and your new SLA will now be attached to your account and ready for use. And that's how to attach an SLA to an account in Zoho Desk.